Alright guys, here we go. Number 34 premium baseball jersey. 6 divisions in the mini helmet. 5 times for 5 times. Here we go. Alright. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 17. 17. Nope, I just made a new one. Okay. Alright, 17. Let me grab that real quick. 17. Brand new case of mini helmets. Alright, 17 it is. Baseball jersey, 17. This thing looks crooked. Alright, here we go. Full-size basketball's working as well. Alright, Derek Rick 5, White 3, Chief Keef 5, Dallas with 7, Derek Beard 2, John 1, Susie 1, Dallas 3 more, Chief Keef with 3. Alright guys, 5 times, here we go. Here we go. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Dallas, you're on top. And Chief Keef, you're on the bottom. 5 times. Good. Okay. Dallas, Diamondbacks, Braves, Orioles, Red Sox, White Sox, Tigers, Astros, Dodgers, Mets, Giants. Derek Beard, Cubs, Indians, Rockies, Royals, Athletics, Phillies, Pirates. White, Marlins, Brewers, Yankees. John Kilmer, Cardinals. Chief Keef, Angels, Twins, Padres, Mariners, Rays, Rangers, Blue Jays, Nationals, and Susie with the Reds. Here comes a Reds jersey. You know how Susie does it. Angels are up. Six divisions left in the mini helmet. So let me know whenever you guys are ready. Any more trades, let me know. Angels for Braves. All right. Any other trades? Any other trades? Any other trades? Are we good to go? Okay. Just lit is lit. Depending on what you're buying, man, it'd be cheaper to buy directly through me if you want. The prices should be cheaper. Alright, let's see. 17 out of 50. I'm not sure how this camera got so crooked all of a sudden. It looked like it was straight when I got on. Looks like an illusion. Looks like a collusion. 6 divisions on the mini helmet. Looks like Jock Peterson. Looks like Jock Peterson for the Dodgers. Alright, so PayPal or Venmo. J17123. Jock Peterson. For your Dodgers. Going to Dallas. Alright, Dallas, good stuff, man. Nice Jock Peterson authentic jersey. Genuine, cool base. Very nice. Number 31, majestic cool base. Jock Peterson. Very nice, authentic jersey. Going to Dallas. Got the Mavs, you got Jock Peterson, and you got yourself Jason Kidd coming as well. Alright, LA Dodgers, Dallas. There you go, boss. Good stuff, good stuff. You and Chief Key, maybe not. Alright, you got 10. Alright, free spot for you. See if anyone else is joining you. I got it tucked away there, Chief Keef. Yep. There's probably all kind of crazy stuff, man. I don't even know what's left in that series. I know for I know for sure there's one more. What the hell's his name? Vlad Jr. Once, twice, top spot 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and Chief Keef, free spot for you, free spot for Dallas. Gold Rush jersey, 650, friends and fam. Number 34, baseball jersey. Baseball jersey, good. All right. 34 baseball jersey. Okay. So we did premium pack basketball jersey, premium pack Obsidian baseball jersey, mini helmet 6 divisions, full size basketball 14 left. Alright guys, every night 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.